Hey everyone, welcome back to class. I hope you've had a really restful weekend. So we've had a long break since our last lessons. And also, I know that this weekend was Easter weekend. So any of you who celebrated Easter, I hope you had a very blessed weekend. And I know it's a little different because you guys are on lockdown, but let's be positive and everything should resume as usual. So anyway, today's question looks at cash flow statements. Mostly, there's also an appropriation account and there's some theory questions too. So very briefly, I just want to touch on what a cash flow statement is. So, okay, these are old slides which I've used for other classes, but at that point, we had done the balance sheet, the income statement, and this is true for us too, because we did this over the last 2 weeks. And now we know that all companies prepare their financial statements according to the Companies Act. And one of the financial statements has to be a cash flow statement. And basically, first we usually prepare the income statement, and after that is the balance sheet, and last we have the cash flow statement. And what exactly is a cash flow statement? So it shows the movement of cash, and this is very important. It's the actual movement during a specific period. And so it shows all the money that comes in and all the money that goes out. And just like the income statement and the balance sheet, there are many different uses, and the answer is always the same for all three statements. If they ask you who are the users, the shareholders, management, banks, directors. So, these are just a few of them, investors, and you can go on and on, but they won't ask you for 10 examples. They'll ask you for 2, if at all, or 3. Okay, so the components of a cash flow statement. What makes a cash flow statement? First, we have operating activities. Then we have investing activities. And number 3, we have financing activities. Now, that's the only introduction I'm really going to do for the cash flow statement, because I really want us to focus on the question. And of course, if you have any questions, you can ask me. Don't forget, we will be doing cash flow statements for the rest of the week. So if you're feeling unsure and confused today, it's okay. Just keep trying throughout the week, do the questions, follow the lessons, and you should be fine. So, okay, let's start with our question. And our question is, let me find it very quickly for us. Our question today, we will be looking at this question which was sent to you. And so it says cash flow statement for 2010, and they give us all the questions, all the information, and let's get started. So I'm going to start a new video and I will be doing the appropriation account. If you have not tried this question, please try it now before the next video.